Personal Finance, Episode 3, Personal Income Statements. In our last episode, we covered how to prioritize your income. If you missed it, make sure to check it out in the link provided in the description below. It's essential if you're looking to manage your finances better. Today, we're moving on to the next step, recording your income. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and where it is coming from is the foundation of any solid financial plan. Let's dive in. To record your income effectively, you need a personal income statement. Now, I know you might be thinking, aren't income statements just for businesses? No, not at all. Anyone can benefit from having one. A personal income statement is your key to understanding how much money you're bringing in and, more importantly, where it's all going. It's like a snapshot of your financial health, helping you see exactly what you earn, what you spend, and what's left over at the end of the month. Let's break it down. A basic personal income statement has two main sections: income and expenses. In the income section, you'll list all the money coming in, your salary, freelance work, side hustles, any investments including dividends, and even those occasional gifts or bonuses. The expenses section is where you track all the money going out. It's everything from fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance to flexible expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. At the bottom of the statement, you'll record your net income. That's your total income minus your total expenses. If it's a positive number, congrats, you're spending less than you earn. If it's negative, it might be time to double-check your spending or look for ways to increase your income. Creating a personal income statement is incredibly rewarding for anyone looking to get a handle on their finances. It helps you make better decisions, set realistic budgets, and plan for your financial future. Don't be afraid. It just means it's time to double-check your spending or look for ways to increase your income.